Hi, good morning. Hello, David. Hello, Adam. Very nice to talk. This is our chef designer, Ho. Okay, so we are going to. Yes. Yes, so we are going to present you what we have done those days. Thank you, Adam, so much because you always provide me the needed information on time. So that will help us to clarify the structures of this building. Okay, so so we would like to sharing our screen, and you can see what we have done these days. Okay. Yes. Sharing. Can you see our screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yes, so right now I guess that we used your name of the go-karting location. We call that the emotion, but I guess that maybe you would like to change the name or you want to keep it, but it's okay. So it's like, okay.
I think that it will be emotion. Right? Yes, it will be emotion park Brno. It's just the last word city. So.
Okay, great. It's a good name, emotion. So today we're going to discuss from the three perspective. First is going to be the design concept and the planning design and the project intent. So it's like, so the core words for this park is going to be, because I think that this park should be your flagship shop that will be a comprehensive AVC where combines the go-karting and the non-powered indoor playground equipment and all these trending interactive games in the market. So we try to make this park to be meet the four requirements for this to be the vitality, flexible, interaction, and order. And also we focused on so much on the circulation of the whole location for your better operation. So yeah, this is going to the design concept, and it's going to also what we are going to visually design to present in this park. Okay, so let's go to this part. So it will be much easier for you to. So overall, I would like to, maybe you saw this a little bit complicated because there has been separated into different parts, but I would like to, from two perspectives, to clarify you clearly. Firstly, overall, that we designed this park. For this part, this ground floor that we designed to be a non-powered, mostly non-powered indoor playground equipment. And this part is also the ground floor, but we call this part the combined with the functional area together with the interactive sports zone. And this is the mezzanine area. So we also planned some party rooms and also some, interactive sports zone, but it's different from the first floor. So basically, so we designed the three parts, of course, including the go-karting will be four parts. So we integrate the latest go-karting DWG from your site, and we integrate it in the location. And then we design this part, and this part. So I will show you the main entrance. 它的主入口是在那张图上是吧？ Yeah. The main entrance for this location will be this area, and we checked your videos and pictures from Adam, and we analyzed because this area should be the main entrance. You have two entrances, I guess, right? So this should be the main entrance, and then we designed a gift shop beside the main entrance and the restaurant beside this area, because the restaurant in this area and the kitchen and then the bathroom, washroom, and also the warehouse and office in this area. And we have the shoes changing area, because this shoes changing area should be served for this area. The kids should wear anti-climbing, anti-slippery socks to enter into this area. And we set up a very small toddler area for the kids, because I guess that this park, this comprehensive FEC, will cater to different ages, from the toddlers, teenagers, elder kids, and adults. So we have a very small toddler area here, and then we have the slide combinations. Then we we hope that this should be like a very outstanding point when the kids standing in the entrance outside here. They will be very, charming point to attract them to go inside. And then we have a small area for the climbing wall, and we have the rope courses. We call this the purple and the pink area, including the blue area, should be adventure park. And then this should be the trampoline parks. And I believe that originally we talked about you would like to integrate the trampoline parks, the ninja courses together in this area. But we would like to make this area to be more attractive and energetic. So we try to design the rope course and ninja courses here. The rope course, because the usable standing height here is 6.8 meters. So this area, so we utilize the based for the standing height, and the rope course should be above the ninja courses. So this part, the ninja courses below the rope courses. And then another outstanding point for this park should be like this way. Here, this should be the zip line. Zip line above the go-karting area. But this zip line is different from, I would like to show you more better way. So yeah, this way. So zip line here.
Yeah.
This is this is the second outstanding point for the zip line, and because the limited standing height. So right now, here we set up a separate tower similar to like this way. So to make a longer zip line as long as possible, because the limited standing height, so we designed like this way. It's not like the traditional one. The function of this tower should be first to be a very good viewing point for these players. They were standing here. They will have all these glimpses of everything in this park, and also when it's better for you to operate here. They starting from here and they stop there, and then this, they doing the planning.
Second part.
Yeah. So it's like we would like to. We don't want to. Originally we designed if they're catered to the 6.8 meters for the standing height, the planning road is very short. Basically, it's around 50 meters. But now we make it as long as possible. So we design like this part. And also we didn't occupy the extra space for the go-karting. So this should be a very good point for this design. Let's go back to... So...
Maybe I have a question right now, if it's possible.
Yes, of course. We would like to discuss the 1 point by 1 point together.
Question is why we didn't use. I don't know how to show you. There is at the bottom of right next to the tower is 1F to the second floor stairs. No, the left one.
This one?
A little bit left. Yes. And there is a platform on the second floor. It's not a good idea to use this. Maybe enlarge it a little bit to use it for the as a tower for the zip line.
You like to, because the reason that you like to use this platform because you want the zip line to be longer. Clear?
Yes, and it will also have to push our clients to use the second floor. Yes.
Yeah, that is. Yes, that is negotiable, and we will keep in mind. But basically, you know what? This tower is independently fixed on the ground. If we are going to combine the tower together with the platform, we need more architecture information for sure, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So our chief designer is sitting beside me, and he will also keeping this point in mind. It's like this is going to be so many points to be used. It's not the final. We just present you and we discuss, and then we make the design development. That's a very good point. Thank you for your question. That's very helpful. Give me 10 seconds. I will explain to him clearly in case that he couldn't understand it very well. Okay. 他说这里有一个平台，他说其实他不希望把这个塔建在这儿，他希望我们把塔建在这儿，人家从这儿完了之后呢，人家可以继续玩，或者人家选择直接上2楼。所以你就记一下这个点，防止我也遗漏，好吧？OK， 你在做 AI 听记是吧？OK，
没事，有那个。
Oh yes, yes, this is very good point, and I would like to explain further for the, all these areas in the ground floor. 那个图比较好。这个图其实不是很好。
这个是同时应用录听。
这样得了，就说这个吧。这个比较好。这个是 reception 吗？Yeah. So yeah. So as we have mentioned before, the main entrance over here. So we have some ideas to design the reception part. So we show you some visually pictures that we did in other projects. Also, it's like the turnkey solution. So we provide you some direction, but the final decision will be your side. You want your reception to be which kind of style, which kind of the visual effects. That will depend on your team to make the final decision. But firstly, now we're going to present you something we can do. So try to, for example, we suggest that reception could be like this direction, or if you want other directions, that would be okay too. That is also, could be discussed and further designed and developed step by step. So right now we suggest that the reception could be like this direction because we analyzed your brand and we also analyzed your market. So it's like your market is different from all these Middle East countries or even the American countries. So you could be like you may be like the simplified and powerful style, but not so heavy decorations. We believe that this direction will meet your brand sense. So we like to present this way, but yeah. So should be the reception, and then
it's nice, surely, but as you mentioned, our customer is a little bit different, I think.
So.
But there need to be some wow effects. So yes, surely, but simplified, more energy.
Okay, so you also, the wow effect, but very simplified, right? Yeah. That is what we have understand for you too. Same direction, but Okay, so this is going to be the restaurant. Restaurant, I guess that your park is like to serve the coffee or the pizzas or some little similar to the bars, right? So yeah, we reserve the space for the restaurant. This is going to be the slide cleavers, like the big slides. So I guess that we cannot make your park to be so childish or to cater to the toddlers. That is not the direction for your park and brand. We guess that your park should be focused on more the elder kids, teenagers than adults. So for this, yes. So we think that this the powerful slides combinations should be one part of the adventure park. So we propose this kind of slides there. So it's, no matter for the kids or the adults, they like this kind of exciting slides together. So we plan for one part for that. There's another perspective that we think that this part could be like the part of the toddler areas because we have some soft place there that will be a little bit suitable for the toddlers. And this could be the climbing wall. And previously you didn't mention that you would like to have the climbing wall, but I guess that for this large area of planning area, we think that we don't need to have so many climbing walls, but we need to have some. It's not so many, some. And this climbing walls could be separate into two parts. One part is soft play for the younger kids. The service is soft, and it's better for your operation and better protection for the toddlers and the younger kids. Another part, we call that adventure climbing walls. That could be the hard surface. It's like it's suitable for the adults and elder kids. So we separate into two parts. It's not so many climbing walls, but we need to have some.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's very popular in our country, but unfortunately, in this location where we are planning to do, it's going to be a huge climbing center, but it's focused on the professional climbers. Also, there will be maybe a little zone for kids, but this is completely different. But that there will be climbing company.
I see. So this area is match for this area. This is rope course. Rope course that we also is kind of the adventure part, just like a go-karting. So it's like the rope course above here, and the ninja courses below the rope course. So we combine this part together like this way.
Yeah.
And for the rope course, the ninja course here, actually we create a full planning experience. After this ninja course, they finish all these obstacles, and then they finish by a reward. This is ground zipline. They finish all the ninja courses below the rope course, and then they will get a reward. They finish and they play this zipline. This is going to be a rewarding point, and also the complete circulation for the ninja course. So like this way. Yeah.
It will not be accessible without completing the rope.
You mean the ninja courses is not accessible to the rope course, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's not accessible. That they should have separate. I would like to talk with you later after I present my design how you will charge how different charging systems for this park, because yeah, we will separate different entrances and how you will operate, how the kids can finish one part to another part. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And this is the different zipline that I talked just now, and yeah, here's a video. It's like this way. 它是好短的这个 video. And here is the trampoline. Trampoline 就是 airbag 吧？
Okay.
Yes.
You did something for the whoop?
We do something for the whoop. You mean this, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Previously, yes.
Okay. We're going to visit them within 2 weeks.
Okay. And here also above this space we have some rainbow light. It's not like the traditional rainbow light, but the traditional rainbow light have a problem for the sagging. Sometimes as time goes on, the rainbow light will be sagged as time goes on. So we design like this way, obstacles hanging above the light, and then. 你这个是？
这个就是共同区域。
我知道，你刚才那个 rainbow light 是在这里，但是你那个 rainbow light 下面是什么
？rainbow light 下面就是刚刚那个跳台期待。
所以就是我说的是对的。Okay, so here is the free trampoline area. You design here, and also here because the free trampoline areas, we integrate some interactive things there, bounce engines, touching poles, and basketball, and high performance trampoline there. So it's like this is Wipeout, always integrate with. So this is the party day project. I think that Adam and I show you the videos for the party day that we did in China. So yeah, this is for the party day Wipeout we designed and manufactured for them.
Party day, so not procedure.
And this is Super Ronio. So it's like have you ever checked something about the Super Ronio? Or you know something?
Once more?
Super Ronio.
I have just I have not been in Super Ronio, but very similar style. I have just visited a few weeks ago, and I think it was wonderful. There was a lot of kids waiting in a line to get there. What I see is a little problem. This was the safetyness of this, because they have to have one employee which was guarding this point, just not to fall one kid on each other.
So you visit one project in Europe about the same Super Ronio before?
Yes, it's Krówka in Poland.
So it's like actually I would like to emphasize the Super Ronio as a concept. We call it the Super Ronio. Other vendors may call the Super Climber or the Super Ward. So, but this product, a concept, was innovated by us 6 years ago. So we are the first company to innovate, design, to present the concept to the market. But after the show, a lot of shows, expositions. Sorry?
There is also time attack. So time attack, like you start the button and then
Yeah.
you have to push. Yeah?
Yes, we have two motors. You know Rush, right? Rush trampoline in Finland.
Yes.
And the beginning of the June, we will install the Super Ronio in their location. So it's like they have two different models for the Super Ronio: free competition model and a free model and a competition model. Free model is like the obstacles keep moving, the kids can play at the same time. But the competition model, just what you have mentioned, they press the start button, and then when they finish, they will press the finish button. So it's different models. So we have two models, and to give the different experience for the kids. So it's like, yeah, you're right. Okay.
It's nice.
Yeah. So we integrate the Super Ronio here, together with the trampoline. So when the kids, they can, you can operate this events together. And basically, sometimes, yeah, just you mentioned that the operation people should take care of their kids when they play. They will need to avoid the kids to push another kids when they're in their events. But basically, sometimes we will create a bar independent for the Super Ronio for easy operation, so that we have enough operation suggestion for our clients to choose from. Sometimes they will just have a very open space together integrated with trampoline, and sometimes they have a separate bar, and because they charge separately for the Super Ronio, is different operation way. So we'll later, depend on operation, we will just do some modifications for the design layout. Okay, so 然后是哪个地方？
第六区放到这边。
This is also the total areas that we try to present the same concept, and still the total areas. And here is the VR 吧。 This is the VR zone. The VR zone is located the ground floor, because here is a glass. It's glass wall, and we want the people, the kids outside this building, see through the window, the glass, they will see all this VR equipment. 这是 video 吗？
是。
Yeah. Okay.
It's controlled by the customers or it's automatic?
这是自动的还是自动的吧？
对，
It's automatic. It's not by the client. Automatic. So you have some VR in your current go-karting location, right?
Yeah. Yes.
You purchase from Europe or China?
No, we mostly use VR headset and playing multiplayer games. That's what our customers most like. So the moment we have maybe some doors problem. 10 seconds, please. Monday technical problems everywhere.
So you have those VR machines from Europe previously?
Yeah, no, we had one machine, but it was not so many used. Our customers mostly use just we have headsets. We have a Pico headset, and we are playing games like Hero Zone, Beat Saber, and so on. Only headset with controllers, mostly.
Okay.
What we have as machines are professional racing simulators with steering wheel and pedals and ADC.
一个小的视频，就这个。
Yes, yes.
这个视频你给它点开了，我移过来。它左边有个小视频，你把那个小视频点开。
哦，原来如此。
你看这个小视频。
哎，不管了，这个。We also have some bars here. So it's like nowadays all these trending games, and we also integrate in your park too. And the motorcycle area. 这个没有视频啊。
没有。
Now we also have some motion play. It's like you got some. Did you check some same motion play in Europe or this APC? They were. No.
I think this is not so often. Maybe pixel floor is something that in just motion, but nothing that it's scanning you.
Okay.
It's not so usual. So okay.
哎，这没插电吗
We didn't play it.
Okay. So you because you have some ideas that it's okay that whether we can integrate some popular games that is not so popular in Europe.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, great. Here we got the digital baseball. It's also an interactive game. And you mentioned that you would like to have the mini golf. So it's kind of the golf, digital golf. Just like, yeah.
I think we prefer the adventure mini golf than this one, right? Yeah.
Ah, you.
We like to have something like adventure mini golf, not a simulator. Simulator is nearby in the place where we will be.
Okay.
In the same location.
I understand. 它不要这种，还有真实的高尔夫。I see. That's great point.
But I think there is really a lot of good points. So we really appreciate this preparation, and I think we can write our recommendations and ideas what there already is, because something you can find on the internet. We have been many times in the location and we know it. So this is normal that you don't know it.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, of course, after this meeting, and we will present the design proposal to you, and you need time to know all the details and analyze the reasonable points and not reasonable points. Then we need your feedback. Okay, so later we make this design meets your expectation, align with your requirements totally. And this should be a long process, but we need to, act effectively to support you, and also we need your support too. Okay, so this is the interactive circle, interactive basketball, and also the billiards too. So we present all these games in this is also the games, the pixel games that we guess that is
Yes.
very popular in Europe. But we use Chinese version here.
I think it's no problem.
Okay.
It's all made in China, I think. So it's no problem.
Yes, the price is so much cheaper than the pixel. So it's like we
Yeah, right.
yeah, we used in many locations than the projects already. So it should be reliable. We only use the reliable and verified games in your location. So this is also the Switch game that we proposed in one corner for the space here. Yeah, some popular simulating surfing game, scanning game, and also shoot game and archery game. Yeah, so we list all this reference and also the singing karaoke. So I think this new point. It's a new point. Yes. It's a new point in yeah. This is a separate. You have the separate partitions for here. I guess that sometimes you have one or two is enough for the adults, the parents. Sometimes they can have some fun there. So yeah.
It's not when you sing inside. It's not hearable outside.
Yes, of course. Yes. 这个就隔音的嘛，外面听不见。
就是一个小房间。
对 ，Yes, outside cannot hear, so it's not a good signal. Yeah. So here we would like to talk about after I present. I know that you need time to know what kind of games or even the specifications of these games. It's no worry. You have time after this meeting. So basically, I give you basic ideas for what we have in your location, in the ground floor and the mezzanine floor. But here, I would like to also emphasize the circulation for this park. It's basically here is the main entrance, and the yellow part should be like the entrance for this. This should be the gate for this part. This should be the gate for the mezzanine part. You have the interactive games, the VR games, and then here should be also another entrance for the mezzanine part. So the yellow part should be the entrance gate. You can propose, we proposed, and later you think that is unreasonable, we can make adjustments from there. Okay, so and so also here I think that I asked Adam, the reception part is also located here for the go-karting area, right? You already confirmed the go-karting zone. So right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here
we need to get the clients here, so we just need to find because there is a gate and there is a gate. I think how customers get to go-karts.
他说这个消费者怎么进到他这里来？
这里面吗？这里是个工区，它这个东西等于说全在他们的工区里，现在就分为3个范围，上面这是一个。
哦，那不用，你只要告诉我顾客怎么进到这里就行了。
从这里直接进，直接过去，从下面这里直接沿着这个边过去就好。
So the main entrance here， 但是你没有 gate 呀 ，reception， and then
工区
and then here the customers can
它的一个
work
开放口
here
在这
through
里，
here。
它的管控口在这里。
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of planned. So
okay, no problem.
然后你这个1楼上2楼 ，here 这里有一个楼梯是吗？
对，这里有楼梯，从这里到2楼，从这里上。
可以。但是你这里为什么要再搞一个2楼？
因为这里也有个楼梯，如果他不想要这个商店的话，我们可以考虑把这个口拉过去，只在这放一个那个闸机就够了。
这就不需要了。
对对对。
So right now we set up a shop nearby the reception. I don't know whether you have some IP products to sell or some shops sometimes for your brand.
No, but we will start to do this.
Okay, so you think that it's necessary to keep a shop nearby the reception?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Okay, if you yes, if there's shop and then this should be the gate for the first floor, but there's the stairs and then we have another entrance from the first floor to the second floor. So if you don't want the shop and then we would like to move the gate over here. So there's no need for the gate for here. So it's like current dates should be common dates to the shop requirements.
Okay. Entrance gate means that the customers without, for example, watches or cards, they're already paid. They cannot enter it, right?
Yes. So can I know that your current go-karting, that how the customers enter in your park, they will have the rest band?
We are not pretty sure because in this center there should be all in one software with payments and own currency and so on. So it will be they will have wrist or QR code in their phone. But for now in Emotion in Ostrava we have only clients cards. So they are able to pay some credits and then pay with it for go-karts, but it's not so complete, so
sophisticated.
Yeah, exactly. So there should be some kind of inner pay
cashless, our own currency system.
Yeah,
I understand. So because right now I think that you will also need independent charging system for the go-karting area, right? And also the independent charging for this area, as well as all this interactive area for the ground floor and the second floor, right?
Yes.
If you understand right, you need the customers to pay separately 3 times. First time is go-karting, second time is here, third time is the interactive games together from the ground floor to the mezzanine floor. Correct?
Yeah, they should have possibility to enter the zones with only the wrist or something. They will pay on reception. They will upload let's say $100, and then they can go to go-karts, pay for it, go to kids zone, pay for it with their wrist.
Okay, yes, that's what we understand. Correct. Okay, so do you have other questions?
I think we need to take a better and more detailed look because this is pretty complete and complex solution. It's a little bit different than we thought, but that's correct because I think you are professionals. We are not in this, so let's take some time to take a detailed look, and I think we can write you some questions, maybe to understand something better, and then we can move on.
Yes. Okay. So can I know that how what the progress for your negotiation with the landlord? It's like because
contract with for a hall.
Yeah.
Yes. To be honest, we have received this weekend the contract. And currently it's at our lawyer, so I don't have any I don't have any feedback at the moment. But for the time plan, I think that we will get at the end of September. Jak to jmenuje, ne, oktober, co je mezi oktober, září, na konci září bychom měli dostat k dispozici halu. September. At the end of the September, we should get the hall, and we have then 3 months to install everything. At the end of the year, it's okay. Yes. So,
yeah. So, please go ahead.
Yeah, September is the date when we have access to the place.
Yes, but I think maybe we will push it for a month later, like to the October, because they took for more than 1 month to prepare the contract, which we didn't plan before.
So if I understand right, you already finished the contract process already, almost.
No, we just started. We just received the first view of contract. We have head of terms ready, but they made 1 month for the contract offer, and now we have to check the
I see. So it's like you need another month to check the contract and confirm the contract, to sign the contract finally, and
Yes.
then you're going to the process for the building handover to you later.
Yes.
Okay, understand.
Yes.
Yeah, this is not an easy process. Then I hope that yeah, understand. So what I would like to explain to you further is like this way. I will show you what we have done, the concept design to you after this meeting for you to check more details and also the circulation of the equipment or your comments, your ideas, your doubts, your questions. Then I want you to give me organized feedback, and we can start from there. And then I also like to emphasize that because we previously almost I guess that in March or maybe February we first contacted and we explained that how we can work together. So in the future process, because I believe that you like us to present the turnkey solutions, not just like the play area, right?
Yes.
This
is what we have done. That's what we are it's what we are looking for.
So you want us to provide some kind of the environment design service, right? It's not only for the product. This is the point that we need to emphasize and clarify to you again, because this is totally different. For example, if we just plan for the products, right now it's just a 2D concept, and later we may proceed to the 3D design. As previously we discussed how we work together, it's like this way. We will charge you the design cost for the 3D design for the play equipment only, and later when you place the order, we will reduce this costing from the total amount of the order if we just like us to present the products. But right now you're going to need, your real requirement is to have the environment design service, including the product, layout, circulation flow, everything. So later we will propose you agreement to explain that what we are charged for this service. So I would like to explain to you. So basically I would like to explain to you that this go-karting area is not our area. So except for this area, we need your site to pay us. It's kind of the around $15 per square meters for the turnkey solution design service. So I give you an idea that, and I wait for your comment, and then we can later we will propose you the design service agreement. And this part, or including so many parts. Right now we also have a sample to show you. I just want you guys to know what we can do, like this way. 它这个开始在哪？
就这个镜头。
这个吗？OK， 它是不一样。 So basically today also I would like you guys to have this information together with the concept design we have done at the same time. So it's the in-motion full scope design proposal. And we have different phases for this service. Phase 1 is functional strategy. But I also could send this to you for you to have a better understanding what we will do in this project, together with the concept design we have done.
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's visually designed development, so many details. And phase 2, detailed spatial planning, 3D visualization, rendering, strategic procurement support. Yeah, what we can do. And also some warnings, what we want you to support locally. It's like HVAC, MEP systems, the fire protection, all this. So did you have architecture team work with you?
It will be it's part of the contract. It will be given to us partly from the owner of the hall, the projectants, and we will have local exterior
Okay, so the part of the contract is that landlord will provide you some architecture support.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so the contractors also from the landlord part.
Once more.
Contractors.
Yes.
Architecture.
No. I'm not sure how you mean. I'm not sure if I understand.
Constructors for your location. That is from the landlord.
Yes. No, construction workers and company.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It depends. Some changes on the building, like we need to remove this wall and etc. It will be done by the landlord.
Okay.
And other things like if we will need some electric installations and etc. or build something, it will be on us. We need to find our team.
Okay, because you already have the experience for your first location, you have some familiar architecture team to work with you before?
Yes, but it's like 9 years ago, then maybe 10 years ago.
Okay.
So we are not in touch because we didn't need in-house this one.
Okay, understand. So I need your side later because if we are going to work together, we need your side to involve all these contractors, the architecture team together with us.
Okay.
We have so many points to discuss together, confirm together, recheck minutes of time because a lot of times it's not like we confirm the first time that will be okay, but as time goes on we need to recheck the drawings, construction drawings, everything. Yeah, so
okay.
We need your support from your side. Okay. Yeah,
we will do our best.
Yes, you can see that we can have all these drawings. We call that construction drawings there. Because we know the material for that part, this part, and we know the dimensions. So yeah, and then we present you can you can deliver to your architecture team. They will know how to contract locally and in your site.
Yes.
Yeah, this is here. Yeah, also the design fee and the project term that I would like to also give you a glimpse because except for the go-karting area, it's still 4,146 square meters, and we will charge $15 per square meter, and we present everything, 10 solution from the concept, 3D, construction drawing, material clarification, and procedures clarifications, everything. So, but our payment term should be separate into 3 periods, 50 before we do the further design development, and 50 after we completion of the phase 2, and 10 completion of the phase 3. After we complete all this design service, and we're going to do the real manufacturing for that part, from that point.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, that's great. Do you have? I think that Adam will start the vacation tomorrow.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so could you please create a common group together with David, so that sometimes we have some points. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, great. So I will send you an email, include all this concept design and also the design proposal for the design service after this meeting, and I'll wait for your further comments because the process should be like the step by step, just like you are talking about the lease contract with the landlord, and our side too. And we need, if you have some, architecture team already confirmed that they were used from the landlords, and we hope that you can invite to the common group together with us, because right now we want to confirm sometimes the points. I always give trouble to Adam to ask him so many questions about the walls, the structures, the ceiling height. I hope that there will be a architecture team to also join the group so that everyone can have information in the same page. Okay?
Okay, great.
Yeah. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, David. So I will send you all this information by email. And please David, Adam, please create a common group together with David. And I also invite our chief designer together into the group because we need all the things at the same page to ensure that we can give you enough confidence to make this come true. And also we need your side to support us too. So we both of us to work like the partners. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Have a nice vacation, Adam, and have a nice day, David. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. 关了。
你离开就行。